For this demo, use a needle with 15 centimeters of suture. Each needle and suture has a point A, B, and C.
Needle handling. Once the needle is within the box trainer, maintain the right grasper at point A and loosely grasp the needle with your left instrument at point B. While stabilizing your left instrument, with your right instrument gently move in a to and fro manner to swivel the needle. With practice, you will be able to move the needle in every direction freely. Needle loading. Swivel the needle such that the light evenly reflects off point C. Then, using the needle driver, grasp the needle firmly at point C. Release the needle from your left instrument and do a couple practice throws to ensure the needle was loaded approximately 90 degrees to the driver.